Welcome to Earl Stewart on Cars.
Dealers are like a bunch of wolves out there preying on people, advertising bad credit, no problem, 100% guaranteed credit approval. They make these outrageous claims only to be disclosed in the fine print. My first advice would be believe none of the guaranteed credit approval advertisements. They often say every credit application guaranteed. Well, what that means, we'll guarantee you, we'll take your credit application. That doesn't mean they're going to approve your credit. And the 100% guaranteed credit approval is just a flat lie. They say, okay, we'll get your credit approval no matter how bad your credit is. If the car costs $20,000, you'll have to put up a $19,999 down payment, or we'll finance it for 1 month. They can condition it where it's technically a credit approval, but in point of fact, it's not really a credit approval. You want to find a car that you want and that you can afford. You're not going to be able to buy a $75,000 car with all the bells and whistles. Try to find the lowest priced, reliable car. And I'm suggesting a used car too. Don't buy a new car if you've got bad credit. Control the purchase. Get the best price you can on the car that you choose that you want to buy. And try not to walk into any car dealer and say, can you get me finance? When you do that, you lose control. Don't discuss your credit with the car dealer. If you go in and say, can you get me finance, they're going to try to put you in the car they think they can get finance quicker, and they're going to take advantage of you in a lot of ways, like high interest rates, high profits. Shop your credit, just like you should have shopped your car to get competitive pricing. Go to banks, go to credit unions, go online, and you will be surprised at the sources of credit that are out there. Ask if your lender is charging a extra fee on top of the interest rate, and try to get the lowest interest rate you can. If you have bad credit, there's a bank fee that oftentimes the lenders charge. Is supposed to go off the profit of the car. It's supposed to be absorbed by the dealer. But what the dealers are doing, charging the customer with a bad credit, forcing that customer to buy a paint sealant package that probably costs the dealer $50 and charge them $2,500 to compensate for the bank fee, a violation of truth in lending. In the worst case scenario, when you cannot absolutely get any financing, if you have a score below 500, it's almost impossible to get conventional financing. There's something out there, it's called buy here, pay here. These are dealers that carry the paper themselves. The interest rates are very high. Oftentimes the payments are weekly, but it's better than no source of financing at all when you have to have transportation.